Ever feel like you're constantly juggling blueprints, budgets, and battling a mountain of paperwork, wishing you had a super smart assistant who just gets construction? That feeling of drowning in administrative tasks while the real building happens without you is frustratingly common. Well, prepare to meet your new digital sidekick, because today we're diving into how general contractors are using ChatGPT to transform those pain points into powerful productivity gains, making your work not just easier, but genuinely more intelligent. Now let's dive into the AI blueprint, smarter bidding estimating. Alright, fellow builders and visionaries, let's kick things off with arguably one of the most time-consuming yet critical phases for any general contractor: bidding and estimating. If you've ever found yourself buried under a mountain of specifications, trying to synthesize disparate notes into a coherent bid package, then you know the struggle is real. This is where ChatGPT isn't just helpful. It's a game changer. Imagine having an assistant that can sift through all that raw data, pull out the essentials, and even help craft a compelling narrative for your proposal, all while you're focused on the big picture. We're not talking about replacing your expert judgment, never that. We're talking about giving you the superpower to process information at warp speed, freeing you up to apply your invaluable experience where it truly matters. It's about working smarter, not just harder, and making sure your bids are not only accurate, but also stand out from the competition. Think of it as your secret weapon in the bidding arena. Okay, let's dive into our first lab, and this one's a classic. We're going to build a comprehensive scope of work summary using ChatGPT. Notice how we've structured this prompt using the RCTFC framework: role, context, task, format, and constraints. Our role tells ChatGPT exactly who to embody: an experienced construction project manager. The context provides all the necessary background details, like the deck's size, materials, and client name. The task is clear: draft a comprehensive summary. We specify the format using bullet points for easy readability. And finally, the constraints ensure the output is concise and professional, even mentioning potential material lead times. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Now, let's talk about the magic behind the curtain. When we structure our prompt with RCTFC, we're not just throwing words at a machine, we're giving it a precise instruction manual, a blueprint for its output. The role set the stage for professional, industry-specific language, instantly elevating the quality. Context provided all the necessary ingredients, ensuring no critical detail was missed, from the specific dimensions to the LED lighting. By clearly defining the task, we guided ChatGPT directly to the desired outcome: a detailed scope, not just a casual note. The format ensured readability, transforming raw data into an organized, client-friendly document. And the constraints? They acted as our quality control, making sure the summary was concise and professional, even cleverly weaving in the material lead time warning. It's like having a digital intern who not only understands your instructions perfectly, but also anticipates your needs. Precision in prompts leads to powerful outputs. RCTFC clarifies AI's role and task. Automating initial drafts saves immense time. Now let's dive into bridging the gaps: superior communication. Next up, let's tackle another critical area for general contractors: communication. Whether it's with clients, subcontractors, or your own team, clarity, empathy, and consistency are non-negotiable. But let's be honest, after a long day on site, the last thing you want to do is sit down and eloquently craft a delicate email explaining a minor delay or updating on progress. This is where ChatGPT shines like a perfectly installed skylight. It can help you draft professional, clear, and even empathetic communications in a fraction of the time, ensuring everyone is on the same page without you having to pull an all-nighter. It's about maintaining those vital relationships, keeping projects flowing smoothly, and presenting a polished, professional image, even when things get a little dusty. Think of ChatGPT as your always available, supremely articulate communications manager. Alright, it's time to put on our communication hats. Or rather, let ChatGPT wear one for us. This lab focuses on crafting a professional and empathetic email to a client about a project delay, a scenario every GC knows well. Our prompt clearly defines the role as a professional general contractor, setting the expectation for tone and language. The context provides all the nitty-gritty details: project name, client, delay reason, new completion date, and the mitigation steps we've already taken. The task is straightforward: inform, explain, state new date, and reassure. The format specifies a professional email, and our constraints ensure the tone is empathetic and jargon-free. See how each part of RCTFC builds a clear picture for the AI? Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Wonderful! Let's unpack why that prompt strategy yields such stellar results. By assigning the role of a professional general contractor, ChatGPT instantly adopted the appropriate voice: confident, responsible, and client-focused. The rich context gave it all the pieces of the puzzle: the specific delay, the proactive solutions, and the new timeline. This ensured the email wasn't generic, but highly specific and helpful. The task was undeniably clear, preventing any rambling or off-topic content. And oh, those format and constraints. They worked like magic, transforming a potentially awkward announcement into an empathetic, reassuring, and professional message. It's like having a master communicator draft your messages, ensuring you hit all the right notes without spending hours agonizing over every word. This shows the true power of directed prompting in maintaining client trust. Empathy and clarity build trust. RCTFC ensures tailored communication. Proactive communication reduces client anxiety. Now let's dive into on-site savvy, problem-solving power. Finally, let's talk about the unpredictable nature of construction itself. Every general contractor knows that no project goes exactly as planned. Unexpected material shortages, sudden equipment failures, or even minor design clashes can throw a wrench into your well-oiled machine. This is where ChatGPT becomes your on-demand problem-solving partner, a digital brainstorming buddy that never sleeps. Instead of racking your brain alone or waiting for a meeting, you can quickly tap into its vast knowledge base to generate potential solutions, analyze risks, or even draft emergency protocols. It's like having a highly experienced consultant available 24/7, ready to help you think through complex issues, identify blind spots, and ultimately, keep your project moving forward. It's about leveraging AI to be more agile, more resilient, and ultimately, more successful when the unexpected inevitably happens. Alright, for our final lab, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of on-site challenges, something every GC encounters. We're going to use ChatGPT to brainstorm solutions for a critical structural steel delay. Our prompt assigns the role of a senior project manager, signaling the need for high-level strategic thinking. The context lays out the problem: project name, the specific delay, its cause, and the duration of impact. The task is clear: brainstorm at least 3 distinct, actionable mitigation strategies. For format, we ask for bullet points with explanations, and the constraints demand practical, cost-effective solutions for a commercial build, keeping schedule and budget in mind. Notice how detailed the context and constraints are, guiding the AI to relevant, practical ideas. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Fantastic work! Let's look at why this prompt yielded such insightful solutions. By giving ChatGPT the role of a senior project manager, we instantly elevated the quality of its suggestions. It wasn't just giving generic advice, but thinking strategically. The detailed context meant it understood the specific nuances of the steel delay, enabling it to suggest relevant rather than abstract solutions. The task was clear and precise, ensuring we got actionable strategies and not just a diagnosis of the problem. And the format and constraints were truly the unsung heroes here, shaping the output into practical, cost-effective solutions tailored for a commercial build, directly addressing schedule and budget impacts. This isn't just brainstorming. It's like having a seasoned consultant offering targeted, viable options within seconds. It's truly amazing what you can achieve with a well-structured prompt. AI augments problem solving. Specific context yields actionable solutions. RCTFC structures complex thought. ChatGPT is your versatile digital assistant, ready to tackle diverse GC challenges with speed and precision. The RCTFC framework is your secret weapon for commanding AI effectively, turning vague ideas into concrete results. Embrace AI not as a replacement, but as an enhancement, allowing you to focus on the strategic, human-centric aspects of your general contracting work. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the exciting landscape of how general contractors are harnessing the power of ChatGPT. From turbocharging bids and estimates, to crafting crystal-clear communications, and even becoming an on-demand problem-solving partner for those inevitable on-site curveballs. Remember, the secret sauce isn't just the AI itself, but how you talk to it. Our trusty RCTFC framework is your blueprint for crafting prompts that deliver consistent, high-quality results, making ChatGPT less of a chatbot and more of a highly specialized digital colleague. It's about working smarter, being more agile, and reclaiming your valuable time to do what you do best: build amazing things. So go forth, prompt with purpose, and build the future, one smart, witty, and exceptionally efficient project at a time. You've now unlocked the power to command AI with precision, turning complex challenges into streamlined solutions and making every prompt count. Don't keep this superpower to yourself. Hit that subscribe button, share this lab guide with a fellow contractor who needs a win, and tell us in the comments what real-world construction challenge you're ready to tackle first. So what incredible structure will you build now that AI is helping lay the mental